Alright guys, I'm currently in school. These are some of my classmates. We're in groups. Ocean over there. We're gonna do a thing, a DJ thing where we have to do for presentation and thing. We're gonna mash it down. Wicked. I'll be a mad people, me know. Go. When the need to turn on the light.
Okay,
no, it's bright, man.
Come in pan the end and wait, Lanisha say, right?
Yeah.
Alright, and then when I repeat it, we can't say it 2 times at the end, fit flow.
Okay.
Make sure they take everybody in the ocean. Alright. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Me can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure. Mr. Me can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure.
Please, sir, see the watershed. If you cup number 3, still videoing.
Alright.
Oh.
Nah, done. Unlimited resource.
Just catch your character, let me know.
Alright.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Mr.
We can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure. Mr. We can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure. Please, sir, save the watershed.
If you cup number 3,
With family, I go dead.
you don't know about
Deforestation,
it come up.
we mash up the nation.
So we can't.
Deforestation,
It come up.
we mash up the nation.
So we can't.
We can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure. So we can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure.
Your corporate, Lord of mercy. I go do it, I go dead.
Thirsty. We can't take it no more. With limited resources, I go down for sure.
So we can't take it no more.
Same way.
Good morning, guys. How y'all doing this morning? You don't know, it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE, representing for the team. Yo! How about the damn? Guys, good morning. If you're on my channel for that lighting though. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I want to hear from you. I really do. Now, this morning I'm on my way to work. A regular morning. I have school later on today. I haven't been vlogging that much because, you know, sometimes you go through a process in life where you just want you know, stick to yourself and meditate on certain things, you know. So I love meditate. But I don't start float yet. But I love meditate and see like where I'm at now and really where I want to be. And that's what I took a little bit of time doing, is really meditating and bombardos upon my skin. It's really meditating on where I want to be, like I not look for right now, but like in the next 5 to 10 years. That's something I think deep, right? But I really need to think about the work that I have to put in now. You understand? And I know that's a little bit deep, but that's how I think, because I want to be at a certain level in my life at a certain age, you know? More I have to just drop certain baggages and just propel to where you want to be, and you have to look in yourself and make certain conscious decisions, you know. Sometimes hold on to some stuff in life but you really need to let go, and it's not gonna be easy to let go of them, you know. So that's something that I'm definitely learning to do, let go of some things that should not be in my life, you know, taking my stuff to the next level, you know, and stuff. And that leads me to say this, like, it's important to find your purpose. A lot of us struggle with our purpose from, like, we go to high school, and it's a school thing from when. As a friend you go to school, they kind of struggle with it. Like, this minute you want to be lawyer, next minute you want to be doctor. And I say, morning, sir. You stay me down for? Eh? So this minute you want to be lawyer. That phone is supposed to sell already, my youth. You should have made me get a picture for you. You care? I don't know how that's gonna ship down. I don't know. You ain't asking about it? Yeah, a lot of us struggle with our purpose. I am somebody that struggled with my purpose for a very long time, and that's why I go to school. I'm studying business. I've been doing business for the last 3 to 4 years, and I'm pursuing to get my degree in business and marketing, majoring in marketing. But when I look funny, like my real true purpose is really speaking, because guess what, speaking is something that I'm good at and something that I really love to do, talking to other people. And I find out that that's really truly I'm a real purpose, like in myself. I think that I'm a purpose, and that's one of the reasons why I started my YouTube channel, you know, to like fulfill the gap there in my life. And there's a lot of other things that I can do well, like I can do here well, and a lot more other stuff. But my real true purpose anyways, my real true purpose, I think, is speaking and being an entrepreneur, you know, marketing my own products and stuff like that. So it took me a really long time to really find out my purpose. I knew that I have this talent of speaking and speaking very well, like more like a motivational style, but I never looked to that. You wanted to stick to the traditional stuff, business and whatever. I can't stop now because I really started already, and it's helping me more to really develop into the person that I want to become. Because at school we do a lot of presentations, and you know, that helps me to build and stuff. Keep looking here. I need to look here. Yeah. So you know, I'm just go on easy and a pre-life like so, and I'm learning to accept that people change, and change is something that it's inevitable. It happens. It's how we deal with change. You understand? Naturally people resist change, but you have to prepare your mind for like be open to change, because people change, situation change, and sometimes I can't do nothing about it but accept it and like look how to move forward, you know, guys. So I'm going to take a drive now, and peace out to you. See you later. Good morning. How that? And if I want to come back in. Good morning! You don't know, it's your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are the damn? Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're on my channel for the first time, you know what to do. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription. Damn, I'm glowing. And show the love. Hey, Sek. No. Hey, Sasha. I got a lot of love for you. That skin right here. On our way to church. You don't know we roll. Jesus first, everything else after. So yeah, an idea we are go to church. Me I come back and work out. And bad things by this time. Why me close a set good here, Sakin? Over here, something.
What do you mean?
How
can I zip this up?
By this time, my Big Cartel website is up.
Cartel.
Big Cartel.
As in cartel?
Hold on.
As in that cartel?
Big Cartel is a place that people can shop from all over the world, and that's what I made available to you, my subbies. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so freaking proud. Oh my, you're what me asking me I got church freaking. Anyways, guys, shoot. Anyways, guys, me no want thing. I'm sitting. I don't know them like that. Oh. So guys, I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself. And guys, I want to encourage you people to do things that you're proud of yourself. You know? People don't have to be proud of you. You proud of yourself by your own. So guys, what I did, why am I bringing it up again? What I did, I created a Big Cartel website, right? And this is for the persons that always keep asking me, what is something there up by your belly? You know, I don't know, say belly gun and things. So guys, it's available on the Big Cartel website. I ship directly to you guys. And as I said before, Skylife is about everything: success, health, bathings, and the things that I'm using. I have the opportunity to share it with you guys, and that's what I did in creating the website. So if you're interested to see, to use the belly gun, so now no behavior. Come over here, so my hand hurts. So guys, if you're interested in the belly gun, just go over to my website and you can place your order. I ship every Tuesday, and I'm so proud of myself that I actually, you know, humbled. You know, I'm humble. I'm bathing. So thank you guys for all the support. People I said to me, say, oh, Melika, you motivate me. Melika motivate people. Now what is? I'm bathing. You know, so I'm just so excited, so proud of my channel, so proud of everything that I've been doing, so proud that I'm able to share with you what I'm actually doing, you know, to help myself, and I hope it can help you guys too. If you want to follow me, I'm chatting out for you all time to go to church. So anyways, we're going to focus on the walking, you know, because we are walking to church this morning and stuff. Peace. I pray for you guys. I'm out. Kid. Peace.